I'm Eva Perez with a great salmon fish recipe.
Hello everybody. Today, I'm going to show you how to make our smoked salmon recipe. The first thing that you need is a whole salmon, and you're going to cut the fish up the back. Be careful not to cut too deep. Just cut about halfway down the back, all the way from the head to the tail. Then you're going to take out the backbone by prying it out with your fingers. Once you get this piece out, you're just going to repeat the process on the other side. So you'll have two pieces like this. This is what you'll be left with after you take the backbone out. Then you're going to clean the fish, remove the scales, and take out the roe, but do not wash it. The next step is to take the bone out of the side of the fish. Be very careful when you're redoing this part because you can really mess up the side of the fish if you're not careful. So take your time and just kind of work your fingers in there and pull it out. You should have something that looks exactly like this. Now we're going to rub the fish inside and out with a mixture of salt and fine Havana sugar, equal parts, and a small portion of saltpeter. We're going to be using half of the salmon for this demonstration. I'm just going to put half of the mixture in this little dish right here. Mix it around, and then I'm going to start rubbing it inside the fish. Make sure you get all the nooks and crannies. Rub a little bit on the outside, flip it over, and rub the other side if you want to use up all of your mixture. Once you've rubbed the fish with the salt mixture, you're going to cover it with a board. Place weights on top of the board to press the fish down and let it lie for 2 days and 2 nights. After the fish has been sitting in the salt for 2 days and 2 nights, you're going to drain it from the salt, wipe it dry, and then stretch it open. Use pieces of stick to fasten it open and hang it up. Smoke it over a wood fire for 5 or 6 days. When you're ready to eat it, cut off slices and soak them a while in lukewarm water. Broil them for breakfast. And that is our smoked salmon recipe.